Hi, and welcome to another episode of the Diamond Growth Community. Today, we are going to be talking about our top 5 summer must-haves and why we like them so much. With me today is Michelle, and she is going to start us off with the top 3 that's on our list. Michelle?
Hey, so again, thank you for being here, and let's get into our first summer product. Ninja Red. They come in these little packets or in a bottle. But let me tell you why we love Ninja Red. So Gary Young was traveling the world seeking for natural secrets of energy, longevity, and vitality. And he was then introduced to the powerful wolfberry found in China's remote Ningxia region. And when he found it and he saw the benefits, he knew that every family needed Ningxia Red. Why? Because the residents in that region have enjoyed wellness supporting benefits from the wolfberry, also known goji berries. So what he did is by combining selectively sourced Ningxia wolfberries, superfruit extracts, and pure essential oils, Gary created our Ningxia Red. And when we incorporate this in our everyday wellness routine, Ninja provides support for our energy levels, our eye health, and our overall body wellness. And it helps fight against oxidative stress. We all have it, so therefore we all need this support, and also helps with natural cellular function. Just like any of our products, we will never say that these products treat, diagnose, or prevent any disease. So let's talk about antioxidants. And just like the antioxidants in the goji berries, these help you fight against preventing free radicals from damaging collagen on the skin. And also goji berry extracts has been linked to anti-cancer activity in both animal and in human bodies. So the potential tumor inhibiting effects of goji berries are likely due to the ability to boost the levels of antioxidants and reduce levels of inflammation in the blood. So we know less inflammation, less pain, less illnesses. So consuming a concentrated extract of the goji berry or the juice has been linked to improving energy and feelings of overall wellness. And that's the reason why we love our Ningxia. Let's talk a little bit more about what's in it. So the Ningxia Red wolfberry juice incorporates the benefit of the goji berry and yuzu juice, aronia berry, and therapeutic essential oils into this powerful antioxidant drink. So this superfruit beverage combines whole Ningxia wolfberry puree. And you're probably asking, why a puree and not a juice? Well, because as the puree, you capture more of the goji's nutritional potential from both the juice and the pulp. So it is also, it contains blueberry, pomegranate juices, and it is slightly sweetened with stevia extract. It also has grapeseed extract, pure vanilla extract, and orange, yuzu, lemon, and tangerine essential oils. We personally drink 2 ounces a day with water or a sparkling water, and that's how we enjoy it every single day, chilled. And whenever I feel like I'm coming down with something, I'll just add a couple of ounces more a day, and I'm good to go. So that's one of the reasons why, guys, we love our Ningxia Red. So let's talk about Young Living's Vitality Drops. Guys, water has never tasted so good until you have tasted these. So these drops let you naturally hydrate without sugars, without artificial flavors. And we have several flavors: grapefruit, bergamot, we have lavender, lemon, I have spearmint and tangerine. And this one in particular has energy, and we'll go into that a little bit. But these are formulated with naturally occurring electrolytes from the Great Salt Lake. And of course, all natural flavors, including vitality essential oils. And all you need to do is squirt into an 8-ounce of cold water and you're good to go. So why do we need these during the summer, or what makes these so special? Well, again, these are 100% plant derived or plant-based, and the natural electrolytes that are sourced from the Great Salt Lakes, these electrolytes blends contains a full spectrum of electrolytes. This means it has 72 trace ionic minerals. Usually, our body needs more than just magnesium, potassium, and sodium. And by using a full spectrum electrolyte blend, our bodies are getting minerals that are usually neglected or that we don't pay attention to. And again, no preservatives, no artificial colors, and it is sweetened with stevia and no artificial sugars. Ingredients found in typical grocery store brands include artificial sweeteners like sucralose and colors, artificial colors, and they usually contain 2 electrolytes, and ours contains 72. So that's another reason why they're so special, and we need them during the summer. And again, they're so little, you can take them in your bag, and put them in your gym bag, and keep them in your office, and it makes a boring glass of water more exciting. So I mentioned that it had caffeine. It contains caffeine from Guarana Vida, which is Young Living's exclusive caffeine blend of Brazilian guarana seed extract and green tea. So just make sure you're aware that it does contain a small amount of energy. So our other product that we love during the summer, and we all know that's important to have, is sunscreen. So we have all been aware of the dangers of the ingredients conventional sunscreens contain, that so many have been banned from beaches, and you guys have probably heard from bans from Hawaii. But just like any other product that Young Living has, we know that we can trust that these ingredients are good. You know, they have no bad ingredients in them, and it provides a protection against UVA and UVB rays without any harsh chemicals, and it is naturally derived, again, with plants and mineral-based ingredients. And it also includes non-nano zinc oxide, a physical UV blocker, and it's formulated to smooth onto the skin very easily. It doesn't stay on heavy, and it's not greasy, and it does not leave a white residue. So as you just blend it in, it starts to absorb into the skin, and you don't have that white residue. I love it. So some of the key ingredients are non-nano zinc oxide, Buriti fruit oil, raspberry seed oil, and Akuba nut butter, helichrysum, carrot seed, and frankincense essential oil. Some of the benefits that our mineral sunscreen lotion provides is that, again, it's a broad spectrum protection with great ingredients. It blocks from UVA and UVB rays, and it is water and sweat resistant for up to 80 minutes. And this one is SPF 50. And they also have an SPF 10. And it helps prevent sunburns, right? And I have experienced that personally. And it smooths out easily, like you saw, and it does not leave any white residue on your skin. It has been formulated for those who have sensitive skin, and dermatologists tested, and hyperallergenic tested as well. And formulated without any chemical absorbers, without parabens, petrochemicals, synthetic preservatives, synthetic fragrance, or any dyes whatsoever. So then you might ask, what are UVA and UVB rays? So sunlight consists of 2 types of rays. And it's UVA rays and the UVB rays. The American Academy of Dermatologists says that it's very important to choose a sunscreen that blocks from both types of rays. And so we can rest assured that our mineral sunscreen lotion protects from both of those rays. So we are double protected. And I don't know if you guys have ever asked yourselves, what is SPF? What does that mean? Well, what it stands for is sun protection factor, and it measures how well a sunscreen protects from UV rays. And so we always want, it's very important to choose a sunscreen that offers that broad spectrum protection from both UVAs and UVB rays. So those are the three of our, the first three of our products. So let's hear Mari tell us a little bit of our, the next two products.
Thank you, Michelle. Now I'm going to talk to you guys about number 4, our product number 4. So now that we are in the summer months, or in, you know, we spend a lot of time outdoors, but with that comes mosquitoes and flies and gnats and just everything that I don't like about summer. And, you know, the list can go on forever. So in order for us to avoid getting bitten by something that we may not want to bite us, we have to apply insect repellent. But before you go and grab your favorite insect repellent or the classic insect repellent, please turn over the bottle and read the ingredients to make sure that the repellent you're going for doesn't contain DEET. Now, you may ask, what is DEET? I mean, when I first saw that, I asked myself, what is DEET? Like, ¿qué es eso, you know? So DEET is a registered pesticide, and it's a member of the toluene chemical family. And what is that? Toluene is an organic solvent used in rubber, plastic, cement, and paint removers. So, you know, we have to keep in mind that what we apply on our skin, it being the largest organ in our body, is easily absorbed and goes into our bloodstream. So the same goes with DEET. So if we're applying a repellent that contains DEET, that's gonna be absorbed in our skin and it's gonna pass into our blood. So we have to be very careful because the side effects of DEETs are serious. And I really do encourage for you to do your own research on it to find out more information about it. But now that we have this information and, you know, we do want to be outdoors, and now we know DEET is not good. So we have to find a DEET-free insect repellent. Well, Young Living has created one and is highly effective. And I'm speaking from experience. The first time I tried the Young Living insect repellent, this one's like all beat up because I love it and we use it all the time. I tried it on vacation, and I am a magnet to mosquitoes, to everything that bites, always bite me. So the first time I tried it, I said, this is my repellent because it was literally a lifesaver. And what makes this so effective? Well, first of all, this insect repellent is 100% naturally derived from plant-based. So it's all the ingredients in here are plant-based. From pure sesame oil to a carefully selected blend of essential oils like citronella and lemongrass, to name a few. They make up 99% of the active ingredients in this repellent. And the remaining 1% is vitamin E, which as a mom is a win-win, because what that means is that I can use this same repellent on my little ones. And I don't have to worry about that. I have to try to find something else to be able to keep them bug bite free during the summer months. Well, now where I live year round. But anyhow, the aroma in this insect repellent, it's not overbearing, it's very smooth, not overbearing, very smooth. It's also not a heavy or sticky repellent when applied. So you're not gonna feel like you're greasy or like, you know, it's weighing your skin down or, you know, anything like that, or that it smells. It doesn't. It's very, very light. It is pure. So if you are gonna use it on your little ones, I use it pure on mine, but you can also dilute it a little bit for your little ones. And also I wanted to mention that Young Living does carry an insect repellent individually packed wipes or towelettes that makes it easy for you to just take it on the go when you're outdoors and open up that little packet and just wipe on the repellent on you. So that was number 4. Now let's talk about our last one, number 5. And number 5 is one of my favorite. It has become my best friend, and it is citronella. Citronella essential oil. This oil belongs to the same family of aromatic oil-rich tropical grasses as lemongrass and palmarosa. And the citronella has so many benefits to it, but one that stands out the most and why we chose it to be in our top 5, especially during the warmer months, is that it is insecticidal. So it can be used as an insect repellent. You can diffuse citronella if you have a diffuser at home to keep your home insect-free. Or if you're outside in the patio, you can just take your diffuser with you and put it on the patio. But if you do not have a diffuser, which we can talk about that later, you can also use like an open glass bowl or a jar and add a drop of citronella and add some water and just sit that next to you and let the smells get those insects away from you. Or the other option is you can also apply citronella topically. So you can dilute it with a carrier oil. I like to use fractionated coconut oil and apply a little bit of citronella on there and just apply it topically on your skin. But like I always say, when you're going to use an essential oil topically, make sure you just test a little bit before applying it all over your skin, because you know what works for me or what doesn't irritate me might irritate someone else. So we just have to be mindful of that. But those were our top 5 must-haves for the summer. And we really enjoyed sharing them with you guys. Michelle?
Yes, thank you guys so much. Great tips, Mari, with citronella. Can't wait to use that when we're outside. And thanks again for watching this video. Feel free to save or comment below. And we really appreciate it when you guys subscribe to our channel and hit your notification bell every time we upload a new video. So thanks, guys.